Welcome again to CryptoJet holders, shillers, and my fellow blockchain degenerates. Today, we're going to be talking about Chainlink, go through a little bit of global news in the crypto market, analyze what exactly are these decentralized oracles and how they work, obviously go through some fundamentals, talk a little bit about the market, and go on to the technicals of Bitcoin and Chainlink by the end of the video. So if you do enjoy it, please leave a like, subscribe, you know the drill, hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on the best daily crypto news in the market. So first and foremost, we have a price of around $30 at this point, 14th coin in the market with the global market cap above the previous all-time high level. So we are still looking bullish. There are no signs of any bearish movement other than, Mr. Whale saying a bloodbath is incoming. He's a complete moron, to be completely honest, because trying to predict that a market that's moving steadily upwards is going to simply do this, right? That's what he pretty much drew. Well, it doesn't make sense. What makes a little bit more sense is if the market actually comes down into fib levels like a normal retracement, like we did see before, respecting the trend channel. Anywhere up to the 50K point is completely fine of a retracement, and then another movement upwards as global adoption in the crypto industry actually begins. As you can see, Coinbase is actually the #1 app in the App Store right now, ahead of all of these other social media applications. So you may actually want to start paying attention, and you may actually want to give us a follow on Twitter. So market cap at $14 billion at the moment, fully diluted at double of that because half of the coins are currently in supply. And what exactly is Chainlink and what is the role of these decentralized oracles? So basically, all of the contract-based platforms are built and made as smart contracts, and they're often isolated from external data feeds. So smart contracts cannot be used to actually access real-world data such as APIs or any type of data that can be bridged across from one source of information to another. And that's pretty much where Chainlink steps in, because they're a decentralized oracle platform that connects these blockchains to external sources of data such as payment methods, data feeds, events, or anything that is not meant for the blockchain and not native to the blockchain. So basically it allows these smart contracts to interfere with real-world data sets and assets in a secure way via these decentralized oracles. Basically what they're doing is connecting data on and off of the blockchain, and they're the largest in the business and the best in the business at this point. So some of the news is that the fall 2021 hackathon actually kicked off some time ago. There's about 500K in prizes. You can see that on their official Twitter page as well. Beginner and expert tracks, basically building technical workshops, learn how to build a decentralized app from scratch, connect with top builders across the space, a huge networking event as well. And they do have a community of over 500K people, so quite a large project. Now, when it comes to the actual website, they describe themselves as a decentralized oracle network to provide tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computations to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. As you can see, a lot of partnerships already with a lot of large cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks, which basically use Chainlink's oracles to feed data into their systems. So a few of the features of Chainlink is a reliable and tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API or external source of data, proven and ready-made solutions because they're integrating pre-built, time-tested Oracle solutions that already secure tens of billions in smart contracts value for market-leading DApps, and secure off-chain computation, obviously, to connect off and on-chain data. So here you can see a few testimonials from Aave, the largest lending platform, Synthetics, Arbol, Celsius. A lot of these blockchain networks actually use Chainlink's data feeds right away and currently. And right here, you can actually do a lot of different things, such as learn how to actually build, deploy, and sell your own NFT, how to fetch cryptocurrency prices in Solidity, how to connect any API with Chainlink, and more. So if you want to actually join their extensive community, you can even build with them on GitHub. You can join the discussion on Telegram, watch videos on YouTube, Twitter, as I showed you before, and Discord as well. So a lot of different grant programs as well. This really is one of the largest projects out there. And a little bit about Chainlink's potential in the market. So as we can see right here, Bitcoin is actually sort of dropping down, which is completely normal. We're in that phase in the market where it is completely fine for prices to be falling a little bit for Bitcoin, a little retracement, since we did have a exponential move before we continue towards the upside, because once again, mass and global adoption is starting more and more vigorously, right? So if we actually look at Chainlink's chart, we can see a very important zone of support down here where fib levels were respected. We see a nice retracement pattern right around here, or a bullish correction pattern, which was broken out of with a strong bullish candle, and we're currently moving more towards the upside. So currently the price is around $30, and my sort of vision for the next few weeks, or the more short-term period of time, is definitely a hit of the previous all-time high. But at that point, we will see a retracement in the price. So what's going to happen is we're going to find a resistance at that level. So once we do reach it, we may retrace it back into fib levels, for example, respecting this trend line, and then continuing to go even further upwards into the high 60s or low 80s dollar mark by the end of this year. So that'll be it when it comes to Chainlink. If you didn't, please, give them a follow on Twitter. Give us a follow on Twitter. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and I guess I will see you all next time. So hodl for dear life, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.